What's up guys, I'm at the Tesla Service Center in Nashville and they finally have a Cybertruck on display. Let's go check it out. Check it out right here. This is the Foundation Series Cybertruck. And you can tell because it says Foundation Series right there. It's etched into the stainless steel. The first thing I noticed was right here up front. They have decided to keep the front camera in the production. Now this is huge. We'll finally get a front camera. We might be able to get a 360 view. Not sure about that, but it's great for seeing what's ahead of you when you're parking. So you get a better idea of ground clearance and things like that. And here are the massive off-roading wheels. These are really cool because they're sort of like a hubcap design, but also if you look closely, it's integrated into the tire itself. You can obviously take these off like the Model 3 and the Model Y and just rock the rims underneath, but this is a pretty cool design as well. It's currently on the highest setting right now, and so it's really tall. The way you open it is very simple. You click on that button right there, and it pops open the door. There are no door handles, nothing that pops out. It's just a seamless design right there. The same thing goes for the back doors as well. This is an absolute unit. Now, I was at the Cybertruck delivery event a few weeks ago in Austin, Texas, but seeing it again in person is just, the feeling never wears off. Here's a tonneau cover right there. There are the buttons to open and close it. It can withstand an adult jumping on it, which is insane. The same thing can be said about the other tonneau covers that we've seen in the past. Let's go check out, see if we can get a closer shot of the interior. Can't really see it because of the reflection, but that's fine. Here are the side mirrors. Now I've heard that it's really easy to take off. It's just 3 simple bolts. And when I take delivery of mine, the first thing I'm gonna do is take it off because it'll just make it look sleeker, more seamless, things like that. Now let me give you a quick shot of just how big it is compared to me. So I'm standing pretty close to it, right here. And it's obviously taller, yeah. It's a crazy beast in person, huh? Now one thing that was, not controversial, but the frunk is smaller than expected. But that's fine, you have a lot of room in the back on the trunk bed, which is still more than enough. And you have these 2 towing hooks right here.
Is it not working? Oh my God, and everybody's way.
This just takes up a lot of the showroom right here. Everyone's around it. And this is obviously also other people's first times. Now this is my second time seeing it in person, aside from Austin, Texas at the delivery event. But just look at that side profile. Absolute beast right there. Man, I'm excited. Seeing it again, just gets me excited again. I don't know. Like I saw a whole bunch of them, but I don't know, just seeing it again in my hometown. The turnout is absolutely insane so far. It's like a little Christmas party they're having. They have some hot cocoa, some drinks, some snacks right here. This is like the service center waiting area. I think I can go in the service center. I'll show you guys quickly, real quick. Right here. So this is the service center check-in area. You can see they're utilizing all the space here and putting up parts and just everything. These are all the cars waiting for service. And then behind over there is just more service area where the technicians work on. And I one time took a tour here. It was really cool when they first opened up. They didn't allow any filming, so this is as much filming you can get that they allow. So yeah, let's head back. That's the snacks, the hot chocolate that they have. One last time before we head out, Cybertruck in person here in Nashville. Look at it. If you guys have the opportunity to see it in person, I highly recommend it. Again, pictures and videos do not do it justice. It's an absolute unit. Look at this. Man. This has gotten everyone excited in the area. And yeah, hope you guys like this video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.